Hello folks, Craig GSF, and out for a little spin, end of June 2026, and we're out for a little bit of a spin. I'm heading down towards Strangford Lough direction, Downpatrick direction. A couple of places I want to have a look at and throw the drone up, so we'll get to see a couple of pretty places. But my first stop's going to be the Lakeside Inn, which is right beside a lake down that direction. So well, come along with us. It's not going to be a very informative video, but it'll be somewhere nice. It'll be nice scenery. So come along with us and enjoy the ride. So I'm on the Suzuki GSX S1000GT, and that's just a lovely day. It's showing 30 degrees there, but I've been in around traffic, so it's about 23 or 24 degrees, which is really quite pleasant. I've got my lightweight jacket on, so be well pleased with that. So onward. Right, this is a lovely Lakeside Inn at Ballydugan, and just across the way is the mill, the Ballydugan Mill. So we'll have a look around there. We'll go and have a little look at the lake before we get the drone up. But it's actually very nice here. Yeah, first time I've been down this direction. Well, that's the lake. A little duck saw me walking towards, so it's going on like that little jetty or little pier. It goes a fair distance down there. And what a lovely day for travelling on the bike. And that's a little Suzuki just at the back of the Lakeside Inn. So we'll get the drone up and have a little bit of a spin round. Right, well, this is the Lakeside Inn. I like the lovely location. We'll bring it around towards the lake. Bring out the camera. And there's the lake. Really pleasant, really nice. Now there's an interesting sight. That's the village at Ballydugan, so we'll go and have a look at that. It's a medieval village set up just on the lake. So I thought I wouldn't have got to see that because it's difficult to get to by road. But there you go, that's it there. So I'll bring it up and let's go towards the mill. Well, that's the mill directly in front of us. We'll come down a little bit closer. May as well do a little circle around it. I think we're high enough up, so hold on. Right, we're at the Quoile River and it swings round this way. This would be known as the Quoile Basin. Lots of fishing here, pike and bits and pieces, but a big pike fishery. But this is just right on the edge of Downpatrick, so we'll bring you around, show you around again. You can see this is beside the Quoile Outdoor Centre. And it's a nice area. But if you want to do a bit of fishing, this is your spot. Right, and this is the Quoile River from the shore. Don't see anyone fishing on it, but it is a big spot for fishing. Well, that's a fly around, a couple of little stops out around about Downpatrick. I'll come this way again because there's lots more to see. There's Saul and there's the cathedral, and I'll come again. But being out in County Down, there's only one thing that has to be done: up through Rathfriland and in for an ice cream. And anyone who follows the channel will know that there's an ice cream always liked up there. It's good homemade ice cream, and well, that's worth a visit. Graham's shop. It's just a newsagent's type shop, but you can't be through County Down without having an ice cream. So that's our next stop, and I'll give you a wee final rundown. You never know, I might see somewhere I want to stop on the way down. Drone again, but I'll give you a final wee check-in before we stop and get home. Right, here's a place I might want to stop and have a little bit of a fly around, see if I can get in. Downpatrick Racecourse. So we'll take a little run up. See what we can see, if there's anything worth seeing. Yeah, in around the grandstand bar and down, look over the track. I think that's where everyone parks their horse boxes. So we'll get a bit of a look. There's the weigh-in room, the Laffy bar. Never been down this direction. Right, that's the start and finish. The grandstand, and as you can see, all the bars and stuff in round bad. But there's the track. Come on, we'll go and have a wee bit of a run round. One thing about this Flip is it's easy to see, and I can see which is the front because the props in the front are bigger than the ones at the back. But the track goes away out that direction. Come on, we'll just go inland and back towards the start and finish. The normal mode, and we'll follow around. And then if your horse is in contention, you'll be watching it coming up this way to be crowned a winner, and you can go and pick up your money from the boogies. Thankfully, it's not me. I'm not particularly interested. But there's a starter's hut as well, just to the left, and the grandstand to the right. That's a glimpse at Downpatrick Racecourse.